Sut mae defnyddio Microsoft Teams? How to use Microsoft Teams. Cliciwch ar diwislen. Click on Menu. Mewn gofnodwch i Hub. Sign in to Hub. Cliciwch ar Office 365. Click on Office 365. Cliciwch ar Teams. Click on Teams. Gallwch lawrlwytho yr app Microsoft Teams neu defnyddio'r wefan. You can download the Teams app or you can click on the Use the Web instead. Os mae'n gofyn am e-bost, defnyddiwch eich e-bost Hub. If asked to sign in, please use the Hub email and password. Cliciwch ar Teams. Dyma ble bydd tîm y dosbarth. Click on Teams. This is where the class team will be. Cliciwch ar Calendar. Chwiliwch am eich sesiwn. Click on Calendar. Look for your session. Cliciwch ar eich sesiwn dysgu byw cyn i'r sesiwn ddechrau. Click on your live session before the session is due to start. Cliciwch Join. Click Join. Dyma ble fyddwch yn dewis opsiynau fideo a sain. Here's where you choose your video and audio options. Trowch eich camera ymlaen. Turn your camera on. Sicrhewch bod eich microphone ymlaen. Ensure that your microphone is turned on. Cliciwch Join Now. Click Join Now. Efallai bydd eich athro'n gofyn i chi wasgu mute yn ystod yr alwad. Your teacher might ask you to click on the mute button during the video call. Unwaith mae'r alwad wedi gorffen, cliciwch Leave. Once the session is finished, click Leave.